Hey y'all, so we made it to the room. I'm giving y'all a quick room tour. So this is a bathroom. Okay, it's clean. Okay, look at me. And then over here, a mini fridge. How do I cut on this light? I don't know. I guess these are lights. Oh, you just tap? Oh, that one I guess. But another mirror. Nice little TV. Nice couch chair. Nice bed. And then, I don't know, I think we got the basic room, so no type of nothing, but yeah, it's nice. So welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the top of from the top and down below, we are at Deja Resort. If you are coming to Jamaica and you want to ball on the budget with a nice resort that's on the strip, I was up here all the time.
Oh God.
So y'all, we made it to the bar, and I'm kind of like a couple shots in. He kind of trying to grab me. Leave me alone. We at Deja Resort, living it up. Even baby is enjoying the resort. Don't mind my eyebrows. My eyebrows look crazy. So right now, I'm outside at Deja Resort. Like I told y'all, the nice thing about this one is that it's right across the street from Doctor's Cave Beach, so you can go to Doctor's Cave Beach with a day pass. They give it to you for free. Well, it's not free, it's included in your stay, but that's still nice. I told y'all earlier that I'm at Deja Resort, but I'm kind of late. So I'm about to show y'all over here Doctor's Cave. I told y'all you get the Doctor's Cave pass included in your stay. And if you lose the pass, it's $30. So yeah. You see his outfit? So right now that's what we're doing. This big ass camera, I film off of a T6i Canon. It's too big, so I need something smaller.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all. So yeah, we at the beach and we have to pack essentials, so you have to have the baby milk. We also got him a fit to get in the pool. I don't think he's gonna get in the beach today. So y'all thought the food was good, but the ice cream, blueberry and coconut ice cream, the bomb. Don't pay attention to my people them in the back. But y'all, this is so good. Me and my baby, we changed our outfit. So I got a shirt that says in my DNA. I told my man that I'm not from Jamaica, so it's not in my DNA, but he says in my baby DNA, so it's cool. And then look. So basically I just showed y'all my outfit, and then we on round 3 or 4 of drinks. Overall, I love this experience. Deja Resort is really nice. It's ducked off. You wouldn't expect it to be right here where it's located, and it's next to some shops. That's where we got our shirts. You want to show baby the outfit? Look at his little outfit, y'all. So his little outfit is too darn cute. So I had to get him one and then get myself one because you know, big J. So yeah. Yup, Ramon, you know I forgot to ask him about earrings. Cause the girl been looking bareless, bare. Y'all don't like not wearing earrings. Like I tell them all the time, I need earrings. I'm just a girl, I need earrings. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I had on my little scarf, but scarf on or scarf off? Scarf on.
What kind of scarf?
This around my head.
Well, it's up to you. It's nice anyway.
You see, he's so sweet. So then when y'all come, you get fruit, sweeties, and so the only thing about this resort is not many things to do, but it's really nice and intimate. I like that. Strawberry daiquiri. The scarf is making my head hot. Okay, y'all, so we just made it to dinner. Baby boy in his high chair. And then his dad went and got some food. Then I'm gonna show y'all in a minute the food. But it's a nice little area, as y'all can see behind me. I don't want to film people, but yeah, it's nice. That plate. Yeah, they got me pasta. Okay, y'all, so you're going to try food with me. I'm trying the rice. Barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken. So y'all. Y'all, the fish. Busted. Busted. Y'all see it? The food, y'all. Scott, what would you rate the food? Out of 10.
Because I'm first, I can run it correctly. Like a 7.
So possibly you would give it a 6. So I would give it like an 8.
7.
He said 7.
Come to me,
We just ate breakfast. Breakfast was really good. And right now Ramon is standing up on this couch. But we really enjoyed ourselves. This was a good time. I look crusty dusty, but it's 7 a.m. right now. Breakfast we got down here right when it started. They have mimosas, like I showed y'all. You can do self-serve mimosas. It was so nice. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. Get it, baby. So we still at Deja Resort. Like I just showed y'all, we're right across the street from Doctor's Cave Beach. Starbucks is right there. You can go get you a refresher. You got everything on the strip. The strip is where everything goes down. If this is your first time coming to Jamaica, you have to know that most of the action is on the strip. So if you go to Deja Resort, you buy the action. games over there, Scott. I hope you all have been enjoying the vlog. I wanna get in the pool, but I think they got a jacuzzi. Let me see. I'm gonna try to show y'all the jacuzzi if they have one. I knew it was a jacuzzi. So y'all, this is a jacuzzi. Why it look like a... Yeah, y'all, so I'm up here with the jacuzzi. Like I told y'all, the jacuzzi look like it's nice. I don't think it's on yet because they said the pool open at 10, so maybe. Hey y'all, so if you are watching this part of the video, that means you made it through pretty much the whole full weekend with us. So right now in the snack area is on the first floor, and it opens up every day at 10 a.m. I think to about 5 or something like that. So we're about to try some cakes right now. So this is like a chocolate cake, a carrot cake, and a lemon something cake. Look like pistachio, but I don't know. It's got this chocolate one. Busting. Chocolate one's good. Let's try carrot. I'm not really a carrot fan, but I'm gonna be honest, y'all. The sweets that I've had here was really good. Most times when I go to resorts, I don't like the pastries because they seem to be very bland. But these pastries here, they have flavor. Got a little red something in there. Not sure, but it's good. I really like these pastries here. Let's try the next one. This one looks pretty. Let's try it. Say lemon something.
The next one?
Stop. Oh my God. What? Oh my God, please, Scott. Please say bumbleclot.
Bumbleclot.
So when I take the bite, and after I take it, say it like it's good, please. Let me see.
Bumbleclot.
This lemon cake good. Yo, what the, Scott, please. Please, King, you gonna get me some more. I'm super tired, y'all. I'm super tired. I'm super tired. I'm super tired. I'm tired. My stomach hurt. I don't know if my stomach hurting because the food, you know, sometimes when you go and eat resort food, your stomach just don't sit well with the food. So yeah, we end up checking out at 12, but at the resort, like if your flight leaves late or something, or you're not able to leave on time, they will let you you'll be able to check in, like check your bags in, and then they'll give you a pass to eat. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Mac and cheese. Good. Alfredo pasta. Grilled fish, hands down, I really think lunch was the best. Overall, I feel like lunch was the best. Like, look at all these hops.